Hey, you, over there. Stay calm. No sudden movements. Just walk away slowly. I didn't say walk towards me. Alright, it's leaving. Leobunum vitatum, the Eastern Harvestman. Huh? Oh, that was Daddy Longlegs. Fortunately for you, they mostly scavenge. It's pretty rare for them to be predatory. What? I'm leaving. See ya. Hey, let go of me. Keep your voice down. I can't help you. Come on, relax. You're going to get us both killed if you keep freaking out. Here, sit down. Take a deep breath. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Just take some time, clear your head. Please stop following me. What do you mean, how did you get here? You tell me. What's the last thing you remember? Right. You were hiking through the woods. Let me guess. You lost consciousness, and next thing you know, you're looking up into the eyes of a daddy longlegs. Yeah, I guess I do seem calm. That's because I'm smart enough to know screaming and shouting just attracts unwanted attention from things that want to eat me. No, they're not giant bugs. Nothing here is giant, you understand? Right now, you're about the size of a grain of rice, same as me. You're still in the same woods where you were hiking, but now you're tiny and naked. Just noticed that, huh? Well, yeah, your clothes didn't shrink with you. What do you think that pile of fabric you crawled out of a minute ago was? Hey, remember what I said about staying calm? Here. You can take this blanket. Cover yourself up. Look, your best chance to survive out here is to keep a low profile. Low profile. Just don't go out at night. Stay away from water that goes over your head. Stop shouting, and I'm sure you'll be fine, alright? That's what I did when I first ended up down here. I didn't have any help. At least not at first, and I'm doing fine. Don't worry about where I'm going. Worry about where you're going. That wasn't an invitation for you to follow me. It's a big world. Bigger now. There's plenty of other places for you to go. Oh, you think we stand a better chance together, huh? No, you stand a better chance with me. I stand a better chance without someone else to take care of. Yeah, well... Oh, crap. It's time to move. I've spent too much time here already. You don't want to be out in the open when it starts raining. I don't know where you're going to go. you're not going to die. Damn it. Okay, fine, come on. You can stay with me until the storm passes. Coleus Philidice, clouded sulfur. Huh? I wasn't talking to you. I was naming those butterflies over there. They're mud puddling, drinking out of the soil. Don't get too close. The downdraft from their wings can send you flying. Look, I understand you're a bit overwhelmed at the moment, but maybe you can save the questions for when we're at least somewhat safe. Alright. See that log above us? There's a crevice in the bark, about a foot up. That's where I've been staying. No, we don't have to climb. We're going to jump. Yes, believe it or not, you can jump that high. I don't know how it works, but somehow being shrunken down made us stronger, relatively speaking. You can now jump many times your height. The hardest part is just landing where you want to. Try your best to follow my lead. You got the hang of that quick. Not bad. Stay here for a moment. Let me make sure nothing moved in while I was gone. Alright, it's safe. Here, some actual clothes for you. Bundle up. It's easy to get cold when you're this small. Seems the wood louse moved in while I was gone. Here, Smells bad, doesn't it? Those wood lice produce ammonia through their exoskeleton. Makes them and everything they touch stink like hell. Damn, I hate that smell. Huh? What leaves? These? Oh, these are food. What did you call them? Bergamot. You think grinding them will help with the smell? Oh, I guess I can't make it smell any worse. Smells minty. Well, the leaves are good to eat, so this paste should be alright to eat too. Here. Doesn't taste very good, but nothing really tastes very good down here. I can see you have questions. Well, I guess there isn't much to do. What do you want to ask me? My name? Oliver. Don't call me Ollie. Heh. I wish I could say exactly how we ended up this small. I've heard a few stories, but from what I understand, there's a fungus that sprouts up in these woods, a kind of puffball. When it gets disturbed, it lets out a little cloud. I remember I accidentally breathed in some of that cloud after I stepped on a patch. Next thing I knew, I was like this. I'm guessing you must have made the same mistake. As for how or why that little cloud of spores did this to us, no clue. Doesn't really matter though. It happened, and now we've got to live with it. I'm not sure how long I've been like this. 3 years maybe? My plan is to survive, and that means staying here. Forever. I don't really have a choice. Where exactly do you think I could go? The world out there is not the one you're used to. Every little thing is trying to kill you whenever you step out into the open. We're at a disadvantage, you and I. Ants, spiders, beetles, you name it. They can jump, run, fly, and they move lightning fast. They have no sympathy, no compassion, and if you don't see danger when it's coming, you'll be eaten alive before you even realize you've been caught. Your old life is gone. And now you're stuck here. This is the world beneath your feet. Get used to it. I'm sorry. I'll leave you alone. I'm gonna go move some stuff around. Hey. Here. It's some grape jelly. Made it myself. I was saving it for a rainy day. I collected the grapes from that vine out there. Yeah, that one, on the tree across from us. What do you mean that's not grape? Moonseed? Are you sure? Moonseed is toxic, so it's no good. Damn. Sorry. I guess I should be thanking you. You might have just saved my life. It took me a long time to collect that, and I was looking forward to actually having something nice to eat for once. You, know plants then? Well, that's useful. Huh? No, there's no way to return to normal. At least no way that doesn't involve getting eaten. Forget it. I shouldn't have said that. Alright. I guess I owe you one. I don't know if there's any way to return to normal. Not really. We're not the only ones that are down here. There's actually a lot of people spread out across the area. Most of them are like me, living on their own, keeping to themselves. Some, though, are a bit more organized. There's tribes, I guess you could say, living in any safe place they can find. I heard a rumor that there was a tribe living underground not far from here, and that they discovered another kind of fungus that reversed the effects of the one that shrunk us. They were able to make some sort of potion or elixir from it. I don't know. I guess after you drink it, that would let you return to your normal size. How the hell should I know how it works? Sounds like some Alice in Wonderland crap to me. But anyways, the place they made this stuff is a few miles away from here. I only know that because I came this way looking for it. But once I realized how stupid I was being, I decided to just stay here. Don't get your hopes up, okay? You'll just end up being disappointed. Happens a lot down here, actually. You want to find that place? Sure, you can go looking for it after the storm's over. I am not helping you. I'm not going out there. You want to find that place, you go right ahead. You'll be dead in less than a day. No, I didn't forget that you just saved me from eating that poisonous fruit. What do you want? Show you the ropes? Alright. Look, maybe we can figure something out. You can show me what plants are safe to eat, and I can show you a few tricks. For now, let's just get some rest. We can talk about it later.